How this Legacy Builders program can empower you as a mom to work just 2 hours a day using this proven blueprint. 1. You get the master resale rights. That means 100% profit in your bag. 2. Attraction marketing skills. No chasing friends and family. You don't need to look for customers. You learn the skills to attract customers to your business. 3. Automation and building an email list. You set it up once and it works on autopilot. And through the automations, you reach customers globally. 4. Smart work strategies. You learn data-driven success, how it works. 5. Interactive coaching and a supportive community. You're never alone in your business. If you want to learn more on how this blueprint can help you in your online business, let me know in the comments, comment blueprint, and I would love to share the details with you.